The Audi Activesphere concept combines a sloping, car-like roofline with a decidedly SUV-esque stance and ride height. The Activesphere is the fourth concept in Audi's Sphere series, following the Skysphere Roadster, Grand Sphere Sedan, and Urban Sphere minivan. It imagines a smoothly styled crossover that supports an outdoorsy lifestyle and showcases new technologies that Audi hopes to implement in the coming decades. The Activesphere, like its conceptual counterparts, is electric, riding on the PPE platform that will underpin the upcoming S6 e-tron as well as Porsche's electric Macan. A 100.0 kWh battery provides over 370 miles of range, and front and rear electric motors combine for 436 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. PPE also includes 800-volt electrical architecture, which enables the battery to add approximately 186 miles of range in 10 minutes at 270 kilowatts. Audi also claims that the battery can charge from 5% to 80% in under 25 minutes. The Activesphere is nearly as long as a gas-powered Audi Q8, but it's 3.0 inches wider, 4.0 inches shorter in height, and has a 1-inch shorter wheelbase. The concept is supported by an air suspension with adaptive dampers and 22-inch wheels wrapped in 285/55 tires designed to handle a wide range of terrains. The wheels have active aero, which opens up for cooling when off-roading and closes down when on pavement to improve efficiency. Cameras replace traditional side-view mirrors to reduce drag and increase range. The emphasis on off-road exploration led to a transparent interpretation of the single-frame grille that has graced Audis for the past 2 decades, allowing the driver to better spot obstacles in front of the vehicle. The lower parts of the doors are also made of glass. When leaving the asphalt, the 8.2-inch ride height can be raised by 1.6 inch, and Audi claims an approach angle of 18.9 degrees and a departure angle of 28.1 degrees. The active back is one of the Activesphere's most appealing features. The lower section folds down like a pickup truck tailgate, while the rear glass slides upwards, transforming the cargo area into a small bed that can hold a pair of bicycles. The cabin is kept enclosed by a motorized bulkhead behind the rear seats, and a ski rack is integrated into the roof. The Activesphere is the first Audi with a split tailgate, but the company was tight-lipped about its production potential. Inside the Activesphere's cabin, Audi goes all out. There is still a steering wheel and pedals, but when autonomous driving is enabled, the physical controls fold away. The simple dashboard, which includes a full-width sound bar and air vent, is dominated by straight lines. The center console has heated and cooled beverage storage, and the red trim stands out against the black background. You may have noticed that the Activesphere deviates from the trend of massive touchscreens. Because of the extensive use of augmented reality, the entire interior is the screen. For headsets, stored in a roof console, allow occupants to interact with what the automaker refers to as the Audi dimensions. The system basically layers information and controls over what you can see and physically interact with in the real world, similar to how Iron Man works on his suits in the Marvel films, though you'll need to wear special glasses and aren't likely to be as effortlessly charismatic as Robert Downey Jr. The augmented reality interface includes vehicle status, navigation, and entertainment, and the system tracks the user's eyes, calling up more detailed information if the user focuses on a specific menu or display. Gesture control enables the user to interact with the virtual controls as if they were physical controls, such as rotating to adjust a dial or tapping to click a button.